Scratch needs to add animated text, and I mean it. Animated text is an extension in the Scratch lab that you can test out and give feedback to. I'll link it in the description. But animated text is so useful that Scratch mods like Turbo Warp or Penguin Mod have added it, and even expanded it. So what is animated text? I'm just going to call it text to keep it shorter, but text is an extension in the Scratch lab that lets you replace the sprite's appearance with text. This can be customized with the border, color, and there are a few animations. So why do we need this seemingly basic extension? Because it makes text engines obsolete and games much easier to make. If you want to write text, there's a few ways you can do it. You can either use variables or lists, have the text on the costumes manually, search up a text engine on Scratch and use it, or search up a tutorial and make your own. Each of these has a problem. Variables and lists not only can't be customized in any way, but if you want a lot of numbers on screen, you'll need a lot of variables, which would get messy fast. Having the text on costumes manually can work in some cases, but won't work if the numbers are constantly changing or can go up infinitely. Getting a text engine off Scratch can work, but they're usually difficult to customize unless you have advanced programming knowledge. And searching up a tutorial to make one is just boring. Like, I don't want to go through 2 hours of videos just to make a text engine. The text extension fixes all of this, essentially being an easily customizable text engine that can work with minimal lag. Who even cares about the animated part? I just want the text. I have a few examples of using animated text, as mods like Turbo Warp and Penguin Mod added the extension to their library. In my Plants vs Zombies game, I'm making the animated text to easily show the cost of every plant, and it can easily be changed. In another game, it generates stories and revolves entirely around animated text. I'm not very good at conclusions, but as you can see, adding the animated text extension would revolutionize games on Scratch, and make the UI a lot easier to make. Scratch team, please add this. As I said, I'm bad at conclusions, so I guess I'll just see you later.